Hello guys, my name is Shubham Kirme. So today's Viva topic is name is the Spring Security in the. So let's move towards the today's topic. The Spring Security is a framework which provides the various security features like the authentication, authorization, and to create the secure Java enterprise applications. So it is also a sub project of the framework, which was started in the 2003 by Ben Alex. Later, in 2004, it was released under the Apache license server in the called as the Spring Security 2.0.0, and also it overcomes all the problems then come during creating non-Spring Security applications and manage the new server environment for that applications. So this framework targets by the major areas of applications are the authentication and the authorizations. The authentication is the process of knowing and identifying the users that want to the access, and the authorization is the process to all the authority to perform the actions in the applications, and as also we can apply the authorization to authorize the web request methods and access to the that individual domain. So the technology that support the Spring Security integration and as well as the Spring Security framework that supports the wide range of authentication and the models. So these models are either provided by third parties or the framework itself. The Spring Security supports the integration with all of the that related technologies called the first one is technology is that the HTTP basic authentication headers. The second one is that the HTTP digest authentication headers, and the third one is that the LDAP called as the lightweight directory access protocol, and another one is the form based. So the beauty of this framework is the flexible authentication nature to integrate with any software solutions. So sometimes the developers want to integrate it with a legacy system that does not follow any Spring Security standard, and there the Spring Security works nicely. So let's see the advantages of the Spring Security. There are the numerous advantages. So some of them are the comprehensive supports authentication and the authorizations, and another one is that the protection against the common tasks. That common tasks are like the servlet API, the integration, and the integration with the Spring MVC, as well as the portability, CSRR protection, as well as the Java configuration support, the Spring Security. So let's see the history of the Spring Security. So in late the 2003, a project except as the security system for the Spring started the intention to develop the Spring based security system. So as a simple security system was implemented but not released officially by the developers uses that code internally for their solutions, and by 2004 about the 20 developers were using but the initially authentication module was part of that project. Around a year after the module was added and complete project was reconfigured and to support more techniques. After some time this project became a sub project of the Spring framework, and it was released as a 1.0.0 in 2006. But later on then in 2007 the project is reserved to the Spring Security and widely accepted. So currently it is not recognized that supported by the developers open community worldwide. So that's all about the overall information about the security of Spring.